Let's look at 10 people. They are all 30 years old, live in the same neighborhood, and walk into the same corporate office every morning to collect the exact same monthly salary. Jump forward 5 years. 9 of them are nervously checking their bank apps on the 25th of the month, hoping the numbers haven't turned red. They are juggling credit card limits and stressing over monthly loan payments. But the 10th person is completely different. Their car is fully paid off, their investment portfolio grows every month, and that constant low-level anxiety about money is entirely gone. They didn't win the lottery, they didn't inherit a trust fund, or stumble onto a tech startup. The massive gap between their realities comes down to a single distinction: how they define the concept of money itself. Most people operate entirely on the idea of income. They treat their financial life like a bathtub. Your salary is the faucet pouring water in, and the standard goal is simply to work harder to turn that faucet up. As faucet pressure increases, the drain expands to match it. That drain is your daily expenses. A side hustle or promotion won't help if water flows straight through. To see the level rise, you must plug the holes. True wealth is never measured by the gross amount hitting your account on payday. It is measured strictly by the capital you trap inside the tub and put to work. When a raise clears the bank, their immediate reflex is to upgrade their surroundings. That extra cash instantly converts into a new car lease, a slightly larger apartment, or the latest smartphone sitting in a retail display. The 10th person applies a different filter: conscious spending. They might drive a 5-year-old sedan and bring their lunch to work, but they will gladly pay top dollar for a high-quality mattress, healthy food, or an ergonomic chair that directly improves their daily output. 9 people buy depreciating liabilities to look rich to strangers. The outlier retains their cash to build a quiet, unshakable foundation. When trying to grow their remaining cash, the 9 chase speed. They look at crypto trends and high-risk schemes, aiming for the fast money lifestyle. They ask, how much profit can I make, while ignoring the far more important question, how much capital can I lose? The outlier treats investing as a defensive operation. Their primary objective is protecting their principal balance. Take a look at the math on this chart. If you take a gamble and your portfolio drops by 50%, you don't need a 50% return to recover. You need a 100% gain just to climb back to zero. Consistent wealth building relies on playing long-term probabilities, not taking a series of high-stakes bets. The 9 treat a dollar strictly as a temporary voucher. It exists solely to be traded for a coffee, a shirt, or a monthly subscription. The outlier views every dollar as a permanent employee. Once hired, that dollar works 24 hours a day, generating fractions of a cent without ever needing sleep or a salary. The outlier runs a mental calculator on every purchase. They see $1,000 saved today as $10,000 a decade later, once compounding finishes its work. By constantly routing that money into self-sustaining assets, they are permanently separating their labor from their earning potential. As Warren Buffett noted, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Compounding time and money transforms exhausting personal effort into automated passive generation. Let's bring it back to our 10 people today. The outlier walks through the exact same office doors, but with profound psychological peace. They don't post expensive weekend trips on social media or buy designer clothes to prove their worth to coworkers. They traded the stressful, fragile appearance of wealth for the genuine reality of financial freedom. Your primary career objective shouldn't be generating income just to pay for a lifestyle. Treat your day job as a funding mechanism. Your paycheck is the seed money required to build a portfolio of assets. As this final flowchart illustrates, the goal is to direct your income entirely into assets. Then you let the yield from those assets pay for your lifestyle. Stop trying to force more water through the faucet.